Okay, so I need this T-joint for a project I'm working on, and this one here is on an old project, as you can see, and it's firmly glued into place. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to get this out of here because I don't have time to run to the store. I'm going to use a little of this remover. This is pure acetone. You can get this in the nail care aisle at your local Walmart or whatever. It's actually cheaper to buy it that way than at the hardware store. Just take a little bit in a cup and just pour it around that joint. Just a little bit. It doesn't take much at all. Okay. Going to go ahead and let that sit just for a second there. Then go ahead and grab these just to go ahead and get this started, because it's going to be pretty tight at first to break that seal. So just enough to break the seal. As you can see, that pipe's already turning. And again, scratching up that pipe a little bit, but I don't care. I'm not using that pipe for anything. So just go ahead and give it a good grip. As you can see, it's starting to turn out of there already. And with just a few more turns, that piece popped right out. Okay. So in case you missed it the first time, I still got to get this section out. And to get this section out, I'm going to do the same thing. Just pour a little bit of that acetone remover right around the joint there. And this time I'm actually going to pop the other piece back in place just to give me a little bit of leverage. And as you can see, with just the right amount of leverage, you can turn that already. That acetone is eating away that old glue inside that T-joint. And let's speed this up, because you don't want to sit here all day watching me spin this pipe. So there you go. But as proof of concept, just a few more turns and it pops right out. And I can take that other piece out that I was using to stabilize it, and there's my T-joint that it's very likely you're going to see in another video.